play pretty tough.
Yeah, not at all. We knew they were going to come out being a better team this year. We knew they put a chip on their shoulder. They're a much better team this year, and we weren't surprised at all. We figured they would be.
Do you feel like the fact that LSU didn't play, I know a team gets better the second game, obviously a big advantage for Mississippi State?
Yeah, that could be. They're a good team. They're going to play some good hard ball, and I'm sure they'll come out aggressive, and we're going to play our best.
You weren't quite back in Long Beach, but it is South Mississippi.
It is South Mississippi. I played a few Brett Favre 7-7 championships here, and we went undefeated a couple years here. So I like winning here. It's fun.
You really were able to control their run game, the pass game. They kind of opened up. Was that kind of by design, or were you trying to take that away before the game? How did they, I guess, be successful in the pass game? And not
They
so
had some really good schemes going. They were coming out with a little different formations, stuff like that. Some stuff that. A couple things we really hadn't practiced, but that's not really a big deal. We should have covered it. We had a little bit of error here and there, a little jitters, first game jitters. I think that some little errors that will get fixed.